Getting a laser from OneLaser, specifically my Hydra 13, was the best investment I've ever made in my business. My name is Heather Dornian and I own the Stamp House. Our products erase the frustration of typical slab building techniques with precision in our templates and our tool systems that are modular in design and work really well together. But they're super fun because you can create a million different designs with all of our stamps. What really inspired me to take the jump from going from just a teaching studio to being able to touch more people throughout the country is accessibility. Accessibility is paramount. As a mom to disabled children, I really wanted to bring accessibility to the world of clay, and our tools and templates do that for so many. They also bring a repeatable element for professional clay artists, and that's been really special. I came across OneLaser scrolling through Facebook ads one day, and there was an ad for a local event that was a STEM event for children, and they were part of the sponsorship team of the event. And that got me interested in OneLaser and got me to look into the company more. When I was researching lasers, I looked at every other major brand out there. I went with OneLaser because they were affordable, reliable, they had great reviews, and they were close to home, and I wanted to support another business that was in our area. I chose the Hydra 13 for my business because the 130 watt CO2 tube can cut through my acrylic and wood like butter, and it is super fast, super efficient, and it's been really a pleasure to work with. Being able to scale my business from something that just supports a local area to something that is a national business now, and in the future, a global business, has been amazing. I've been able to 10x my growth. That's just been wonderful as a small business owner. If I did not have the setup that I did, I would not be able to meet the demand that my product now has in the industry. I would struggle to be able to execute all of the designs and ideas that I have. So prior to having a laser, a project may take me an hour or 2 hours to complete, and now on the laser, it takes minutes, sometimes seconds. My first laser was an X Tools P2, and that got my toe into the pool of lasers, but I soon realized how quickly I would outgrow the machine and what it was able to do. I was really limited with material thickness I could cut through, with speed, with airflow. So when I switched over to a Hydra, that tripled my efficiency undoubtedly. It was wonderful to be able to have my laser not struggle with multiple passes to cut through what I needed it to. Our volume has increased tremendously. I'm able to meet the demands of my customers, which is the best feeling as a business owner. With my Hydra, I'm able to create orders and turnaround times within a day, whereas before it was taking me a week to fulfill orders. We're having so many more positive reviews from our customers. Our customers are constantly complimenting us on the quality of our product, the ease of use, and the finish of our product. As someone with a background in art, I was a little bit worried about if I could figure out how to operate this well in a short time frame, and I was absolutely able to. Support has been wonderful. I was very impressed with how robust the packaging was and that my laser was tucked inside very safely. It was also pretty easy to unpack. I was expecting it to be so much more complicated, and it was very simple. After firing up my laser for the first time and first trying it, I was a little bit worried about if there would be any alignment issues and how I would deal with that. But as soon as I unpacked my laser and used it for the first time, it was still perfectly aligned. It was good to go from the first trial, which was wonderful that I didn't have to spend hours with mirror alignment and lens alignment. I was up and running within days. There was no lag in my ability to meet the needs of my business, which was really great. If you're even on the fence about joining the laser community, I say go for it. As a small business owner and as a woman, it has been the best investment I have made in my business.